Hello guys, good afternoon to all of you. Hope you all are well. In this video, I will share with you recent job openings from Qatar, and it's a Gulf country. So now gradually the job openings started. So many countries are now openings for job. So if you are interested to move Gulf country with a job, you can watch this video till the end and let's know what is the job openings, what is the qualifications and experience requirements to apply for this job and how to apply. Everything details I will explain in this video. So let's start. Urgently required for a leading furniture manufacturing company in Qatar. So guys, it's urgent requirements required for a leading furniture manufacturing company which is in Qatar. Candidates can apply with updated CV, MS Word format for screening on email to the given official email ID, and you may also call in this number for the all details. So guys, let's know what is the job. Job is furnishing carpenter. So as you know, it's the furniture departments. You should have the proper knowledge in carpenter, in spray painter and all other related jobs. So as you can see here, job is furnishing carpenter, spray painter, charge hand, foreman. So if you're interested to apply for this job, you can apply as soon as possible by this official email ID. It's a urgent vacancies, and if you are related to these professionals, if you have the proper experience to work as a carpenter or spray painter or carpenter charge hand, any kind of positions you can apply if you have the proper experience in the relevant field. So I hope if you are belongs to these professionals, you can apply as soon as possible, and I hope you will get a chance to attend the interview. Once you getting success from the interview, your visa process will be starts. So guys, it's urgent requirements from Qatar, and the job is only related to carpenter or furniture departments. So if you have the proper experience and if you are already returned from Gulf with the same professionals, you can apply, because it will be easy to get if you have already experience in the Gulf country in the relevant field. So guys, don't be late, apply as soon as possible. Share this information to your friends and relatives. Of course, it's available information for all job seekers. If you have a plan to move Gulf country with a job, it's a best chance in to get a job in Qatar. So guys, again I would like to tell you, this is a urgent vacancies from Qatar, and the job is related to furniture departments. So guys, don't be late. Contact numbers, email ID, everything details are available in the descriptions below this video. So please, my sincere request, go to the descriptions below this video and collect all information, and including in email ID, also contact numbers. Drop your CV with all documents, all experience details to the given official email ID, and after that you can follow by this contact number and you will get a clarify to attend the interview date and time. So guys, again I would like to tell you, if you are experienced from Gulf country in the same field, apply as soon as possible, because the company or the client always finding for an experience holder. If you are already working in Gulf country and you return from Gulf country, it's a good chance to apply again and you will get a good salary with these jobs. So hope this information will be valuable for you, and who want to move Gulf country with a job in the same relevant field, share this information to them and suggest them to apply as soon as possible. After you apply by your CV, the CV will be utilized. Once your CV will be utilized, you will get a notifications to attend the interview by the fixed date and time. In the date and time you have to attend the interview. Once you getting success from the interview, they will guide you how to prepare documents and how to make visa, everything details they will explain you. So first of all, you need to apply by the proper process. I already told you the official email ID already provided right here. You need to apply through this email ID and your CV will be shortlisted for interview. After you getting success from the interview, the process will be go ahead. So guys, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. In the next video, I will try to give you the information about the abroad job information. After that, stay with me. God bless you. Bye bye.